In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video on Capcut using your iPhone, helping you get the perfect clip every time. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or just editing a quick video for social media, trimming video is an essential skill to master, and luckily with Capcut it's simple and straight to the point. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to open up the Capcut app on your iPhone. If you haven't already downloaded it, it's available free in the App Store. Once you have it open, hover over to the New Project button and tap it. This is your starting point for bringing any new masterpiece to life because it sets up the workspace where all the magic happens. Now, it's time to select and import the video you'd like to trim. Browse through your iPhone's gallery, find your desired clip and tap on it. Capcut will import your video and place it snugly into the timeline at the bottom half of your screen, ready to be edited. With this setup, identify your video within the timeline and tap on it to select. This is crucial because you need to tell Capcut which specific piece of media you want to work on, especially when you have multiple clips in one project. Focus on this clip because it's where you'll be making all the changes. Once your video is selected, take note of the small white handles that appear on both ends of your video clip. These handles are your primary tools for trimming video. Imagine them as scissors that don't slice away your precious footage, but rather neatly tuck it out of sight. To trim the beginning of your video, grab the left handle and drag it to the right. This action will shorten the start of your video, removing any unwanted footage from the beginning. Take your time to ensure you're cutting right up to that key moment where you want your story to start. Next, let's focus on trimming the end of your video. Similarly, take the right handle and drag it leftward. This will trim off the excess footage from the end of your clip. Make sure to pause and play your video as you do this to verify you've captured the exact duration you want. Once you have made these adjustments, tap on the play button to preview your trimmed video. This step is all about ensuring your edits flow as intended and that the video maintains coherence after the cuts. At this point, make any additional tweaks if necessary. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edit, it's time to wrap things up by tapping the export button. Capcut will process your video and save it directly to your device, making it easy to share wherever you need, be it social media or directly through messaging apps. And there you have it, a beautifully trimmed video ready for the world to see.